Well, as long as, yun na nga, because you know what, I think what you're talking about, dumadami ang teenage pregnancy, dumadami ang single mothers, dumadami ang sakit na, and even kasama na rin dyan, pagka teenager yung nanay, hindi marunong alagaan yung bata, hindi nila alam, marunong alagaan ang sarili nila, pagbuntis sila, kung anong kakainin, kung nanganak na, kung ano ipapakain doon sa bata. These are all of the things that we need to address. And so the teaching of this in our schools is very, very, very important. And to make young people especially knowledgeable about what are the options that are truly available to us and what the consequences are of having a child too soon, too early. Having children is a very difficult situation for both the child and the parent.